Good morning, students. This is our last lecture for chapter number 1. In this lecture, we'll see how to do the BCD subtraction using 9's complement and 10's complement. In previous lecture, we have seen how to do the BCD addition. Then we have also seen how to perform the binary subtraction using 1's complement and 2's complement. So 1's complement and 9's complement rules are little bit same, and 2's complement and 10's complement rules are little bit same, but 1's complement and 2's complement we are using for binary subtraction, and 9's complement and 10's complement we are using for BCD subtraction. So see the difference: 1's complement, 2's complement for binary subtraction, and 9's complement and 10's complement is for BCD subtraction. So this is the difference. Now while doing the subtraction using 9's complement and 10's complement, we also have to apply the BCD subtraction rule. So BCD subtraction rule means we have seen 3 cases in BCD subtraction. That is, if answer is less than 9 and carry is 0, then the answer is invalid BCD. You have to add 6 in final answer to correct or to find out valid BCD, right? If answer is greater than 9, then also answer is invalid BCD. You have to add 6 to make it valid BCD. So these are the cases we have seen BCD in BCD addition. So while doing the subtraction, BCD subtraction with 9's complement and 10's complement, you have to take into consideration that BCD addition rules also, right? So we'll start with the 9's complement subtraction. 9's complement subtraction. Means BCD subtraction using 9's complement. Now first we'll see how to find out the 9's complement of a given number, right? So if 55 number is given to you, 55 decimal 10, you have to find out the 9's complement of this number. So simply subtract this 2 bit from 99, means 99 minus 55, means taking 9's complement of each digit. The digit is 2 digit number. This number is 2 digit number, that's why we have taken 99, right? Means you have to subtract each digit from 9. So 99 minus 55, it will give you 44. So 44 is a 9's complement of 55. 44 is a 9's complement of 55, right? If I want to find out the 9's complement of decimal 6, if I want to find out the 9's complement of decimal 6, then I will take simply 9. I will subtract 6 from 9. So it will give me 3. So that means 3 is 9's complement of 6. So what do you mean by 9's complement? Means given number, just subtract from 9. If it is 2 digit number, then take 99. If it is single digit number, then take only 9. If it is 3 digit number, then take 999. That means you have to subtract each digit of the given number from 9, right? So this is the way of finding a 9's complement of given number. Now we will see what are the subtraction rule. Now 9's complement subtraction, we are doing a BCD subtraction using 9's complement, right? We are doing BCD subtraction using 9's complement. 9's complement and 10's complement is used for BCD subtraction only, right? So in BCD subtraction, if two numbers are given A minus B, so you have to take 9's complement of this subtrahed, right? Means number to be subtracted. Find out 9's complement of B. 9's complement of B. After finding 9's complement of B, you have to add this 9's complement into A. Means A plus 9's complement of B. A plus 9's complement of B. right? This is the first rule, this is the second rule. First rule is find nines complement of B. Second rule, add this nines complement of B into A. Third rule, if carry is generated, add carry into answer, add carry into answer, and consider answer is positive, answer is positive. If carry is 0, if carry is 0, then answer is negative, answer is negative, and take nines complement of final answer, take nines complement of final answer. So rules are same, little bit same, these two conditions are same like ones complement, but what is the change? After addition, if you perform addition here, that means A plus nines complement of B. So after this addition, if you find the answer is greater than 9, if answer is greater than 9, you have to add 6, you have to add 6 over here, because answer is greater than 9 means you are getting invalid BCD, right? If answer is greater than 9, this is invalid BCD, you have to add 6 to answer and then apply rule number 3 and 4. So you have to check, after addition you have to check 3 condition that is given in BCD. That means if answer is 9, add 0 1 1 0 to make it valid BCD, right? You should check here in rule number 2, after addition the result is valid BCD or not. If answer is greater than 9, add 6 to it. If answer is less than 9, if answer is less than 9, carry is 0, then also it is invalid BCD. So how to make it valid BCD? Add once again 0 1 1 1 0 to answer. If answer is less than 9, sorry, here you need carry 1, then it is, if answer is less than 9, carry is 1, this is invalid BCD, right? If answer is less than 9, carry is 0, then only it is valid BCD, right? So these rules we have seen in previous lecture, that is in BCD addition. Please go through it once again before doing the subtraction using nines complement. So these are the cases. If answer is greater than 9, then you have to add 6 to it because it is invalid BCD. If answer is less than 9 but carry is equals to 1, then also invalid BCD, you have to add 6 to final answer. If answer is less than 9 but carry is 0, then it is valid BCD, right? So these are the BCD addition condition which we have to apply after rule number 9. So you have to just check after addition, is it valid BCD or not, right? If it is invalid BCD, then add 6 to it. If it is valid BCD, then leave as it is. And then check after addition if carry is generated. If carry is generated, then add carry into final answer. Answer is negative. If carry is 0, answer is negative. Take nines complement of final answer. Right. So why we are applying this BCD conditions to check it whether it is valid or invalid BCD? Because we are doing BCD subtraction, not binary. We are doing BCD subtraction using nines complement. So we will see some example for nines complement subtraction, right? The number is given 8 minus 5, right? The answer should be 3 in decimal, but we will prove this result with BCD subtraction using nines complement. So what is the first step? First step is find out nines complement of this 5. So nines complement means I have to subtract this 5 5 from 9. So 9 minus 5 is 4. That means 4 is nines complement of 5. this is 9's complement, sorry, 9's complement of B, right? This is A, this is B, right? So 4 is a 9's complement of B, that means 5. Now I will add this 4 into this 8, right? Now for addition I will convert these numbers. Now I have to add 8 plus 4, right? So I will convert this number into 4-bit binary. 4-bit binary of 8 is 1000, and 4-bit binary of 4 is 0100, right? Now I will perform the binary addition, will apply binary rules over here. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1. Now you can see this is greater than 9. So this result is greater than 9, that means it is invalid BCD. So to make it valid BCD, we will add 6 to this answer. We will add 6 to this answer. 6 means in 4-bit binary of 6. So 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0, sum carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry 1. Now third rule, if carry is generated, answer is negative. Answer is positive, and you have to add this carry into this answer. So I will pick this carry and will add to our answer. So 0 plus 1 1, this is 1, this is 0 0, right? Now this is into binary, which is equivalent to, अगर ये डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करोगे तो ये आ जाएगा 3. So this is equivalent to decimal 3. Means we got the result like we have got in decimal subtraction, right? So this result and this result is same. So we have proved that with the help of 9's complement BCD subtraction, we also get the result like the result in decimal subtraction, right? So this is the method of finding 9's complement subtraction. We will see another example. Now we will see second example, that means 5 decimal 5 minus 8. Now the result of this decimal subtraction is minus 3, right? And we'll prove it with the 9's complement BCD subtraction. So what is the rule? Take the 9's complement of this number. So 9 minus 8 is 1. Now we will add this 1 with this 5. But before this, we'll convert this 5 and this 1 into 4-bit binary. So 4-bit binary of 5, 0 1 0 1, plus this one 0 0 0 1. Now we'll perform the binary addition. 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0. Now here carry is not generated, so you have to write a comment over here. Carry is not generated, answer is negative. If carry is not generated, answer is negative. And take 9's complement of final answer. 9's complement of this final answer. So before taking 9's complement, you have to consider this number into decimal. So 0110 in decimal it is 6. Now you have to take 9's complement of final answer, because carry is not generated and the answer is negative. So 9 minus 6 answer is 3, right? But carry is not generated, that's why we will consider this 3 as a minus 3, right? So this is equivalent to minus 3. Why we are considering the answer is negative? Because carry is not generated, that's why we have taken the 9's complement of final answer and we have considered this answer is a negative answer. So we have proved our answer is minus 3. Now we'll see some other example, that is 74 minus 33, right? 74 minus 33. Now in decimal my answer should be 41, right? So 41 answer आना चाहिए. So we will do a BCD subtraction using 9's complement. So we have to take the 9's complement of this number. So 9's complement of this number means 99 minus 33 is 66, right? Now I will add this 99 into this 74, right? Because rule is like that only. Take 9's complement of this b, and that 9's complement you have to add into your first number, right? So 74 plus 66 करना है, but for this addition we will convert this number into BCD. Now BCD number कैसे लिखना है? For this it is 0 triple 1, for 1 it, sorry, 4 it is 0 1 0 0, plus 66 means 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. Now add these numbers using binary addition. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1. Now you can see both the numbers are greater than 9. Both the numbers are greater than 9. That means these are the invalid BCD. So to make it valid BCD we have to add 6 to both the numbers. So we will first make it valid BCD, right? So 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 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 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. Now if carry is there, then answer is positive. Carry is generated, answer is positive. Add carry into final answer. Add carry to final answer. Writing these comments is essential. So I will pick this carry and will add this into answer. So 0 plus 1 1. Remaining bit right it is as it is. So this is equivalent to 4 and this is equivalent to 1. So that means result in BCD, sorry, in decimal it is 41, and it is BCD, it is 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. That means equivalent to 41. So we are getting a correct answer using 9's complement, right? Then we'll see a next example, that is 33 minus 94. 33 minus 94. Now 33 minus 94 in decimal, the answer is minus 61. So we will prove it with the help of 9's complement subtraction, right? So first we have to find out the 9's complement of 94. So 99 minus 94 is equals to 5, decimal 5. Now we'll add this 5 with this 33. So 33 plus 5, but we'll write this 33 and this 5 in the form of BCD numbers. So 33 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, plus we'll add 5 to it, 0 1 0 1. So no, for 0 we'll write 0 0, 4 times 0 1. Now we'll perform the binary addition. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1 0 0, right? Now here the carry is not generated. Carry is not generated after answer. Carry is not generated. So consider answer is negative. Answer is negative. And take 9's complement of final answer. Take 9's complement of final answer. Rule number 4. So here first we'll find out the decimal number. That means this is 3 and this is 8. So we have to take 9's complement of answer. So I will subtract 38 minus 99. So it will give me 61, right, in decimal. But the carry is not generated, so we will consider this answer is minus answer. That means minus 61 into decimal. So we have got the answer same like decimal subtraction. So this is the method of finding a correct answer with 9's complement subtraction. Now we'll see another example. That is fourth example, 62 minus 87. 62 minus 87. The answer should be minus 25 into decimal. We'll prove it with the help of 9's complement subtraction. Right? Now we first will find out the 9's complement of 87. So 99 minus 87 is 12. Now we'll perform the addition of these two. That means 62 and 12. But we'll write it in the form of BCD numbers. So for 6 it is 0 1 1 0. For 2 it is 0 0 1 0. Then 12 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. Now perform the binary addition by applying binary arithmetic rules. 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0. Now carry is not generated, so answer is negative. Carry is not generated, answer is negative. Answer is negative. Take 9's complement of final answer. Now before taking 9's complement, you have to convert this result into decimal. So this is 7, this is 4. Now take 9's complement of this answer. 99 minus 74, that means 25, and answer is negative because carry is not generated in our binary arithmetic. So we'll consider this is a minus 25. Why we are considering minus answer? Because carry is not generated. If carry is not generated, we have to consider the answer is negative, right? So this is the correct answer, minus 25. Now we'll see next example. Fifth example, we'll just reverse this number. 87 minus 62. Now the result is plus 25. We'll prove it with the help of 9's complement. So we have to take 9's complement of 66, that is 99 minus 62 is 37. Now we'll add 87 plus 37, but we'll write this number into BCD. Plus 37 0 0 1 1 0 777. Perform binary addition. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1. 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1. Now you can see that the sum is greater than 9 both the sides. So this is the invalid BCD. To make it valid BCD, we'll add 6 here. So before going to apply third and fourth rule, you have to check whether it is valid BCD or not valid. Now we'll add 6 here. 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0, sorry, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1. So 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. Here carry is generated means answer is positive. You have to add this carry into final answer. So write a comment over here, carry is generated, answer is positive, add carry to the answer. So we'll add this, pick this carry and add into answer. 0 plus 1 1. Write down the remaining bit as it is. So that means 2 and that means 5. So carry is generated, so we'll consider this answer as a positive 25 to the base 10. So answer is correct. So this is the way of finding correct answers. Now we'll see some other example for your practice. We'll perform 673 minus 142. The answer should be 531 in decimal, and we'll prove it with 9's complement subtraction. So first we'll find out the 9's complement of this 142. So 999 minus 142 is 857. We have to add 857 and 763. So we'll take this 3-digit number into BCD. So BCD means you have to represent each bit into 4-bit binary. So 6 means 0 1 1 0, 7 means 0 1 1, 3 means 0 0 1 1, 8 means 1 0 0, 5 means 0 1 0 1, 7 means 0 1 1. Now perform the binary addition. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1. Now you can see that these 3 digits all are greater than 9. So these are the invalid BCD. So we will add 6 to each bit to make it valid BCD. Zero, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 1 sum 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. That means answer is positive. Carry is generated, answer is positive. You have to add this carry into here in final sum. 0 plus 1 1. Write down rest of the bit as it is. So this is 5, this is 3, and this is 1. That means the result is 531 to the base 10. So this result and this result is same, right? Here we have performed the decimal subtraction, here we have performed the BCD subtraction using 9's complement. So the results are same. Now you can take the reverse of this sum, that means 142 minus 673. So we'll check 147 minus 673. The result should be minus 531, right? We'll prove this result with the 9's complement, right? So we have to take the 9's complement of this number. So we'll subtract this from 999, 673. It will give me 6, then 2, then 3, 326, right? 9's complement of this. Now we'll add this to 147. So we'll write this number into BCD. 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0, 7 means 0 1 1 1, plus 326 means 0 0 1 1, 2 means 0 0 1 0, 6 means 0 1 1 0. So we'll perform the binary addition. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 0 1 0. Now we can see that the answer carry is not generated, but here result is greater than 9, right? Here result is greater than 9 and carry is 0. So we'll add 6 here. 1 1 0 1 0 1, we'll write it as it is. Now this is the here carry is not generated, so you have to consider answer is negative and take 9's complement of final answer. Sorry, here 6, no, here 7. So likewise you can check your answer with 9's complement subtraction. So here also we have to add 6 because here answer is less than 9 but carry is 0, na? So we have to add 6 also here. That means we have to add 6 in all digits. 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So solve this final example in your notebook and check whether it is coming minus 531 or not. Thank you.